Hi guys, welcome to this FPGA course. In this course we want to learn FPGA together better and faster because I created a method for learning FPGA deeply and practical. FPGA stands for Field Programmable Gate Array, and these field programmable gate arrays are very important and useful for high-speed signal processing and industrial usage, industrial projects. FPGAs are very flexible and you can build your own digital circuit from scratch. You can drive servo motors, control logic circuits, build LED driver, anything. Now you may ask how we can program these field programmable gate arrays and how we can use it. For programming these FPGAs there are three types of languages called VHDL, System C and Verilog. In this course we use VHDL. For programming VHDL on FPGAs we need ISE or Vivado software. You can buy it from Xilinx website. But unfortunately Vivado doesn't support Spartan 6 series. And in this course we use Spartan 6 series and using this AVA S6 mini board. They make professional DSP and processing boards and you can buy them from dsbcore.ir. Usually each hardware has multiple inputs and outputs, and for declaring these inputs and outputs we should write them in the entity part of our VHDL program. The VHDL program has two main parts. One of them is entity and another one is the architecture of that entity. In the architecture of that entity we should design our internal circuit of that entity. So let's begin and see how VHDL works. Here is the standard VHDL library and this is the entity part of our program. This is the name of entity and we should end our entity here. Entity LED is this and here LED ends. In the port section we should define our ports like this. The port name, here is out or in, and here STD logics means bit, means it's 0 or 1. And for separating the ports from each other we should end up them with semicolon like this. First port declaration, semicolon, and next port declaration. And here is the architecture of our program. Architecture, the name of architecture of the LED entity is here. We can declare variables, signals, and some constant informations. And our designs, we should write our design here between begin and end. In the next part I will explain more about variables and signals and constant informations and other things about VHDL language. For example, in this part we want to make AND gate with VHDL. Let's see how we can do it. We don't need any variable. In the port section I define a port name, for example S1 and S2, both of them input, and I define as S3 O as output. logic. Now in the architecture behavioral of LED, I can change the name of that entity for better. And is a keyboard of VHDL, so we can't use and as the name of that entity. For example, I name it AND gate. And here architecture behavioral of AND gate. Between begin and end, I can make AND gate. In the C or C++ or other languages, we wrote like this. But in the VHDL language it's different. There is no AND sign, and for assigning signals like S1, S2 and O, you should use assign sign. And between S1 and S2 we should write AND. This means S1 and S2 is assigned to O, and O is the output. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change this. And this is the architecture of an AND gate. We can make OR gate, AND gate, we can make multiplexers, everything you want. In the next part I will explain this more. For example, if we write here OR, the S1 and S2, OR and assigned to O, or everything, XOR, OR, XNOR. Every entity can have multiple architectures. The name of the architectures of one entity should be different. The another thing you should know about VHDL is signals. Signals are very important. For example, if you want to design this circuit, you should use signals for better understanding code. This is the syntax of declaring signals. For example, signal G std logic signal H std logic. And I declare here S3 and S4 and one output, and that's 4. And here in the begin I write G S1 and S2 assigned to G, and S3 and S4 assigned to H, and G and H, G and O assigned to O. In the longer programs, This makes our code readability better. And at the end of port we shouldn't write semicolon. It's wrong syntax. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. In the next part we install ISE IDE to implement our design on real FPGA board. Thanks for watching and have a good day.